Okay, we're ready for part 3. I'm going to go ahead and click the part 3 link, which once again is does not work on iPads, but works on computers. Here we go. First thing to do with this one is in the upper right hand corner, you see a globe, and then you see a little stick man here. And we are to move the stick man to the correct latitude for the city that you are collecting data on. And once again, we're going to do Santiago. So I'm going to move the stick man down to 33 degrees south. So I'm going to just drag him down. Oops, too far. Okay, doesn't have to be totally perfect. There we go, close enough. And you can see here's the sunlight reaching Earth. And I also need to position Earth over on the left-hand side at the different dates that we are concerned about. So I'm going to start with June 21st. So I'm going to drag Earth to where it would be on June 21st. It's hard to get it just right. Okay, there we go. And you can see for Santiago, which is down here in the southern hemisphere, that is winter because that south pole is tilted away from the sun. And you can see all that sunlight up here in the northern hemisphere. Down here in the southern hemisphere, you can see in this picture right here, it tells us that that shows the sunlight angle, and it's very angled, very slanted. So if you recall in class, when I took a flashlight to demonstrate this, I would tilt that flashlight at an angle, and that shows that sunlight having to spread over an area where it's not so concentrated, which would explain not so warm temperatures. So what you would do on your data sheet is you're going to draw a picture of what you see in this box right here. You're going to draw a picture of those arrows so they are slanted. Okay, now I'm going to move this to September 22nd. There we go. That is the first day of spring. And you can see that sunlight now is not so slanted. It's at a less of an angle, so you're going to draw a picture of this right here. And now I'm going to move it to December 21st. There we go. And there's that southern hemisphere. It is pointing towards the sun. It's the first day of summer. And you can see that sunlight angle. It's pretty much that sunlight is arriving directly overhead. So the sunlight's very concentrated, more intense, which would explain generally warmer temperatures. So you're going to draw a picture of that sunlight almost directly up and down. And then for the last one, I'm going to drag it to March 21st. Go back a tad. There we go. And you can see it's at a little bit of an angle. So you're going to draw that picture right here once again for March 21st. And for funsies, you can even click this little start animation and you can kind of see how that angle of sunlight changes over the course of a full year as Earth revolves around the sun. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and we'll be ready for the next one.